Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painted Cajun. How are y'all doing today? My name is Debbie and everybody calls me Cajun. Here on YouTube, it's Diamond Painted Cajun. And like I said, y'all can call me Cajun. Everybody does. How are y'all doing today? I have a PR unboxing for y'all. And this comes from FG Normal. And they sent me a package. Thank you to FG Normal for sending me this package to review for y'all. I'm gonna get started and yeah. All right, so I undone the packages. So I undone the bag it came in. So y'all could, so I didn't have to fight with it. So the first thing we have is a 5-placer, and this is what it looks like. I think it's a 5-placer. Yeah, it is a 5-placer, and it's a multicolored one. And it comes in this little bag. And here it is. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a thin multi-placer. You put it in your diamond painting pens, and it's not a screw-in, it's just a pop-in type. So you don't have to screw these, but you just pop them in your your diamond painting pen and drill away. That's what it looks like, and this is the outside. Well, the outside. It's thin. It's heavy. It's made out of stainless steel. And on there, if you go to FG Normal's website, I'm gonna link everything that I am showing y'all in the description portion of this video. If you go to their website, right now, it's $1.29. I think they're having a sale right now. But I'm gonna put everything, I'm gonna link it in the description portion of this video so y'all can see it. So y'all can go check them out. Y'all go check them out. They have really good items. Their diamond paintings, they have so many cute diamond paintings. Really, really nice. So that's that one. And now I'm gonna unpackage these diamond paintings. So how is everyone? I hope everyone's doing good. Haven't been on in a while. I'm sorry. I've been super busy and preoccupied with life. So this is a full round drill diamond painting, and it comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a pen. Your normal toolkit. Everything you need to diamond paint is in this toolkit. It's not, you can choose other things to diamond paint with, but that's what it comes with. And I'm gonna pull back this paper and even it out because it's kind of wrinkled so y'all can see it. Y'all, I haven't did a video in quite some time. I'm sorry. I had a lot going on. All right, so this one is a 40 by 30 centimeter, and it's a country one, and I love it, y'all. Look at it. It's an old truck, and it has the Coca-Cola sign on like the store. I guess you would call it a store. I think it's a store. I don't know if it's a house or a store, but it's so cute. I still love it. It has some flowers in the front. It has a tree. It's like the country look. And look, this red truck. I love it. I love the red truck. And this is, like I said, this is a 40 by 30 centimeter round drill. This one is $4.57 on the website. And this is the thumbnail to it. And then it has the legend on the left. And then it has the legend on the bottom right. And it does have the DMC codes on the side, so y'all know the colors and stuff. And the drill field is clear, if y'all can tell. It's very clear. I think this one's going to be so cute when completed, but I think I'm going to do something different for the Coca-Cola sign. I'm going to probably put some rhinestones where Coca-Cola is, and the red, the whole sign is going to be different. I think it would be cute. But like I said, the drill field is clear. And we're going to check the stickiness. Definitely sticky. Definitely sticky. Will hold your drills good. And I'm going to show you guys one more time. And like I said, it's a 40 by 30. And right now, as of 5 minutes ago, it was $4.57. And some of their diamond paintings are on sale right now. So y'all go to FG Normal and y'all check their diamond paintings out. And here are the drills for it. I'm not going to take them out of the package, but as you can see, the drills are pretty good. They have light blues, they have whites, and they come in the package. These do not, these didn't come in the Ziploc baggies, but this is the typical colors that you see for like farm and stuff. So, you know, browns, greens, beiges, kind of rustic colors, some blues for the sky. And if you could see those. So pretty farmish colors. So we got one more. This one I had ordered for the 4th of July, but it didn't make it on time. It might have made it on time, I'm not sure. I don't know. It comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a diamond painting pen. Everything you need to diamond paint. And this one is a 40 by 40 centimeter, and currently it is $7.85. So y'all go to FG Normal and check it out. But I will put the everything in the description portion of this video. The links will take you to it if they have any more left. So this one's USA, the land that I love. It's a 4th of July one, and this is the thumbnail for it. When it's complete, it'll look like that. Well, it's the thumbnail for it. And then they have the legend on the top left, and then they have one on the bottom right. And they do have the DMC codes. The drill field is clear. As y'all can see, it's really clear. I love it. This is very pretty colors. Red, white, and blue, of course. They do have a lot of color blocking in the white portions, but overall, it's not bad at all. There's a mixture of color blocking and confetti. It's not going to be bad. But this is the drill field. I think it's pretty. It's so pretty. And I'm going to check the stickiness, which I never have problems with these. They're very sticky. And like I said, it is a round drill. And these are the drills for it. They come in the little packets, not the zip packets. Not the zip bags. So you have to work out of these. I prefer the zip bags, but I do have stuff to fit up, so it doesn't bother me either way. So these are the colors, and of course you're gonna have a lot of reds, whites, and blues. Oh look, you got some light pinks, deep reds, light blues, different shades of blues. Beige, red, whites, different. They got a few peach colors in here for like highlights, I'm guessing, to highlight it. So like I said, this is a round drill, and this one has 20 colors. And I'm going to tell y'all how many colors the other one has. But this one has 20 colors. Let me straighten it out some. So so those were the two paintings that I ordered, and the multi-placer, so that I could see how well the multi-placer works. So I'm gonna try it out, and then I'll let y'all know how it works out. But yeah, like I said, this one was $7.85 because it is a 40 by 40. As of like 15 minutes ago. And then this one has, and that one has 20 colors. This one has 28 colors. And this one was $4.57, and it is a 40 by 30 centimeter. And that's the thumbnail. The drill field is clear, like I said before. So those are the two, and the 5-plate multi-placer. So I'm gonna try this out and see how well that works, because it is thin. I do have another multi-placer, but I wanted to just try one from them. So that's what I have for today. And like I said, in the description portion, I'm gonna link everything in down below. And if you have not visited my Facebook group, please do so. Join my Facebook group. It's Diamond Painting Cajun. It costs nothing. Please like and share this video. Like this video. You can share it and comment in the section below if you'd like to. And yeah, hit the like button, thumbs up, and y'all have a great day. Bye.